Hi, I'm Richard, and I'm the co-owner of Farm on Protection Island. Protection Island is a small island off the coast of Nanaimo, BC, and until we came here, it did not have a farm at all. The financial support received from Coast Capital Savings Power of Youth contest was fantastic. It helped get our microgreen operation off the ground. We do what we do because this world is in need of more farmers. We're able to provide our whole community with really fresh, inexpensive greens. We can do this on a small scale. You can grow more food for yourself and feed many people. We want to show the community that they could do this too, so that we could help curb climate change and also the lack of good quality food. A community, what makes it so great is when everybody brings a little part of them into it. So go out there and share your light because the community needs it.